Hey guys, welcome again to Must Unbox. Today we're unboxing the Anker fast charging ultra fast power bank. It's a multi-device fast charging power bank with a portable size. It can charge
many devices
1.5 times faster. Here's the how many devices it's compatible with. Whoa, that's a lot. And it has a warning that you can't carry it in your carry-on because it has batteries. Shows the product, total cell capacity, input, output, and total output. Then product, tool wattage, input and output. Time to unbox. Oh, having a little trouble. There we go. Whoa, looks cool. Oh, it's not coming out. We got a shaky. Whoa, that looks cool. So here we have some of the parts. First, we have the plug-in charger that can support multiple USB ports. Right here, that's the USB port thing. Here we have the main power bank and the adapter. Okay, now let's test it out. So first we're gonna put the USB into the USB port. Oh, it has a USB-C in there too. So we're gonna plug it in and see. And now we're gonna charge our power bank. Whoa, that looks cool. And here it shows it's 100%, which means it came fully charged. Okay, so now we took it off of charging. Let's see if the power bank can charge something. So we're gonna put the USB-C port in. Boom. Now we're gonna plug in. This is a Google Pixel 9 and it was compatible. Right here it says 57% fast charging. Whoa, it actually works. So now we're gonna try it with my computer. That's my computer right there. And it shows how much time is it gonna take to charge. So 2 hours and 35 minutes. And it shows how many watts are being inputted into my computer. Pretty cool. So, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, this was double charged. So the phone was being charged, so was the computer. Both at the same time. We only did 2 devices, but you can also do 3. Isn't that awesome? Here showed fast charging. But this time, we're not charging from the power bank. We're charging straight from the plug, which is multifunctional. Awesome!